Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today we will study about the ciliary ganglion. We have completed the submandibular ganglion and the pterygopalatine ganglion already in our two videos. Today we will study about the ciliary ganglion. So let's get started. The ciliary ganglion is the peripheral parasympathetic ganglion placed in the course of the oculomotor nerve. Now, why is it called peripheral? Because of its location, which is outside the CNS in the orbit. Where it is present in the orbit and it is only 1 centimeter anterior to the superior orbital fissure. It is between the optic nerve and the lateral rectus muscle, and it's very small. In among the all the four ganglions, it is the smallest one of the all, and it is a collection of the multipolar neurons. So let's see this diagram. This is the diagram of the midbrain, in which this is the pons region and this is the part above the pons, and this is the nucleus of oculomotor, and this is the nucleus of Edinger-Westphal nucleus. From here the parasympathetic supply will go, and the oculomotor nucleus and the Edinger-Westphal nucleus together forms the oculomotor nerve. So this oculomotor nerve gives like this to nucleus. Now this the oculomotor nucleus moves and it splits into the upper division and the lower division, giving there are two branches in the upper division, the levator palpebrae superioris and the superior rectus, supplying to these two muscles, levator palpebrae superioris and superior rectus. So how we can learn this? By like see, superioris superior, तो superior वाले हैं तो ऊपर है, upper division है तो ऊपर आएगा. So levator palpebrae superioris और superior rectus ऊपर upper division supply कर रहे हैं. Then the lower division is supplied by the medial rectus, and inferior oblique. इसमें देखो बस एक चीज याद रखनी है, medial rectus and the inferior rectus and the inferior oblique. Inferior मतलब होता है नीचे, लोअर डिवीजन है तो inferior oblique और inferior rectus आ जाएगा. rectus and oblique याद रखना है, बाकी inferior and medial rectus. फिर जो एडिंगर वेस्टफाल न्यूक्लियस है वहां से पैरासिम्पैथेटिक रूट जाती है और ये सप्लाई करती है, डायरेक्टली जाके सीलेरी गैंग्लियन में रिले करती है और फिर आईज को सप्लाई करती है. वहां से ये आईज को सप्लाई करके दो मसल को सप्लाई कर रही है, जो कि है सीलियरी मसल और कंस्ट्रिक्टर प्यूपिल है या फिर स्फिंक्टर प्यूपिल है. फिर पॉन्स वाला रीजन है जहां से ट्राइजेमाइनल का पार्ट है ना, ऑप्थैल्मिक डिवीजन, वहां से नेजोसीलियरी पार्ट से सेंसरी रूट आ रही है और विदाउट it's not relaying it on the on the ciliary ganglion, without making a synapse, it moves and it supplies the eye. And it the sensory root, the sensory root supplies the general sensations, and it only carries the general sensation to the cornea, iris and ciliary body. Cornea, iris and ciliary body. If we see this T1 segment. So T1 segment, from here, from the T1 segment, the parasympathetic supplies relays in the superior cervical sympathetic ganglion, और यहाँ से relay करने के बाद it forms the plexus around the internal carotid artery. In the pterygopalatine ganglion, we had seen that the sympathetic plexus is formed in the internal carotid artery, and in the submandibular ganglion, the sympathetic plexus is formed on the facial artery. It goes through the ciliary ganglion and it supplies the eye, supplying the dilator pupillin. Now all these three nerves form the short ciliary nerves, which are 8 to 10 in number or 10 to 12 in number. These are the branches, the short ciliary nerves and the root. The clinical anatomy is tonic pupil, when which there is no reaction to light and a slow accommodation.